about abortion. What is abortion?
We don't know.
Abortion is a termination of a pregnancy by the moral expulsion of fetus or embryo from its uterus, and it goes death by unborn children. Abortion can spontaneously occur during the complication of a pregnancy or can be induced a human and other species. And there are kinds of abortion in our country. The spontaneous abortion and the induced abortion. Spontaneous abortion is a expulsion of fetus or embryo from its fetus due to accidental trauma or natural causes before the second week of gestation of a woman. And the other one is the induced abortion, that manner selected chiefly upon the gestational age of the woman, fetus or embryo, which the size is as the pregnancy progresses. And we cannot do this procedure if there is no method to do abortion. The two kinds of methods are the medical and the surgical abortion. Surgical abortion is a method used tool or machine to remove the fetus or embryo from its uterus, and it is process death of unborn children. And the second one is the medical method. And it uses purposive drugs or drugs that create death of unborn children. And in our country, here in the Philippines, there is a constitution or law that this abortion is not authorized. On Article 2 of the 1967 Philippine Constitution says, in part section 12, the state recognizes the sanctity of family life shall protect and strengthen as family life as a basis of the Constitution. This equally protects the life of mother and the life of the unborn children from conception. The act criminalized by the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines, which enacted in 1930 and remains in effect today. Article 256, 258, and 259 mandate imprisonment for women who undergo abortion, and as well as the person who assesses abortion. Article 258 has a higher process imprisonment for the woman's mother or woman if the abortion is undertaken. The proposal liberalized the Philippine abortion law opposed by the Catholic Church and other opposition considerable influence the Catholic country of this law. However, the Supreme Court was challenged in this law. Do you know that there is some practices of abortion here in the Philippines?
Yes.
study estimated despite of legal abortion, here in the Philippines, there is 400,000 of abortion performed legally here in the Philippines, and there were 80,000 of women hospitalization aborted related to abortion. 12% of women dead because of unsafe abortion. Two-thirds of Filipino women believe in using folk medicine to help their solutions and to know what to do to make their life not be more difficult. And so, prevent this abortion, we must inform others that this abortion is not good. And the best one way of this is the education, because others are scared to tell because they do not know of what is this. Because others are ashamed of what they know and no one understands. And we know that abortion is a mortal sin in this earth. And we must trust to God if we cannot do this. And we must, and do not try this at home. Thank you.